Okay, so here are two ways that you can add your logo to your Wix website. The second one will show you how you can add your logo to your Wix header. So first go to Wix and then go to the site that you want to edit and then click on select and edit site. Then when you're on the dashboard, you need to go over to the search box in the top right hand corner and just type in logo. And then here, this is the first way that you can go to logo settings. And here you can see you've got your profile, and your profile is what people will see on search results, invoices, chat and more. And you can click here where it says upload logo. And then you can choose your logo, whether that be from your computer or files that you've already got on Wix. I've selected this one for the video. So upload your file, click choose file, and then you should see your logo here. Now here's the second way that you can do it. Okay, so the second way that you do it is inside of the Wix editor. So go ahead and go to add to elements in the top left, and then you want to go to image and upload and import, and then here where it says upload images, click on that. Then you can drag and drop files here or upload from your computer. So I'm going to grab my logo. So we'll choose this, we'll click open, and you can see our logo has been uploaded. I'm just going to choose this logo and we're going to click here add to page in the bottom right hand corner. Then that will add your logo, and what you can do is you can move it wherever you want on your page. Now if you want it on the header, you can drag it all the way to the header and it will say attach to header. Then resize it. Now you've got your logo on your header on Wix, and that's all you've got to do.